Couponing with Teaser.
Hey, everybody. Happy Sunday to you, because that's when I'm recording this video at the good Walgreens. And happy June to everybody. Welcome to the best month ever, because it is my birthday month. So, so the 19th, just in case y'all were wondering. But these are the Walgreens deals that are happening this week. And I'm going to be honest, y'all. It ain't banging this week at Walgreens, okay? It's some good deals. It's some good deals, but it ain't as good as last week. But we're going to make it do what it do, because that's what we do over here with Couponing with Teaser, all right? So without further ado, let's get on inside and do these deals at the good Walgreens. All right, guys, as soon as we walk in the door, bam! Look, this is one of my favorite deals, and that's on the buy one, get two free for the complete home baggies. Now, this is at the front, so there's definitely more in the store. At just 93 cents each, so definitely a stock up deal. Also on sale again this week is the Arm & Hammer, but this time, y'all, it's only buy one, get one free. But we did get a $1 insert in our Smart Source, I think it was this week, so you can pick up like two of the detergents, because it does apply to the detergent, and you'll pay $6.79 for two. It doesn't apply. There are other coupons for the Clean Sensations and the boosters, but they don't meet the size requirements. There are rebate offers for them on coupons.com, but only the liquid detergent is attached, because it's the only one that meets the size restriction. So again, you can pay $7.79 or $6.79 if you have the paper coupon, or do the rebate on coupons.com and get the $1 back on there. All the deals of the week, pretty much all at once. Here's the deal on the Olay. They are on sale for $7 this week. When you pick up 3 of them, you will get back a $5 register reward. Plus, there's an Ibotta bonus for $3 back when you pick up 2. So you'll pick up 3 at $21. You'll pay $16 after the $5 digital coupon. You get back a $5 register reward plus $3 on Ibotta. Leaves them at just $8 or $2.66. And with the men's body wash, if you got select scents in your store, you can pick up 3 of them at $21. There's another $5 off of 3 digital coupon. So again, you'll get back the $5 register reward plus the rebate offer on Ibotta for select scents for $3 back. So if you pick up 3 of them, you'll get back $9. That'll leave them at just $2 or just 67 cents each, but that's if you can find it. So hopefully you guys have it in your store. And there's a variety of different scents, so just look on the app, see what's available, and see what you have in your store. Here's a deal on the deodorants. They are 2 for $13, but when you pick up 3, you're going to get back another $5 register reward. They do have a $5 digital coupon that is applying, so you'll pay. 2 of them will be $13 plus that extra one's going to be $6.50. So that takes your total to $19.50, but you'll have a $5 digital coupon that you can use that takes you down to $14.50. You'll get back the $5 register reward plus up to $6 back on Ibotta, leaving you at just $3.50 or $1.16 each. Now again, remember guys, these are deals of the week, so you can only do 1 per transaction in order for the coupon to print out. Now another deal of the week I'm going to highlight is going to be on this Pantene. They are $5 each, but again, part of the deal of the week, when you buy 3, you'll get back the $5 register reward. So you'll pay $15 total, but there is a $3 digital coupon you can use, taking you down to $12. You get back the $5 register reward, so that'll leave you at just $7 or $2.33. All right guys, do not forget to check your makeup aisles, guys. There is a whole bunch of clearance that is going on, so check your apps to see if you have any rebates or if you have any digital coupons. I know on my account I have a $3 digital coupon that will apply to these products here, so I can get it as low as 49 cents. There's some other products that are on here as well, you guys. So just again, check. Look at that, down to $1.79. And mine are not excluding clearance items. So scan the app, see what's applying for you guys. Get these products for the super low, you guys, while you can. Look at all this, Lord. Look at all of this. It just don't make no sense. But yeah, definitely take advantage of this clearance. There's a couple of deals going on with Dial this week. The body wash are 2 for $7. You can pick up 2 of them. There is a $2 off of 2 digital coupon. that you can get that'll leave you at $5 or $2.50 each. The Dial soap, the 3-pack, is also on sale 2 for $5. Unfortunately, it does not have a digital coupon. If you've been wondering, you want to know what ones are all about, there is a 50-cent digital for the 20 count, and there's a $1 digital for the 40 count. So just want to let you guys know that coupon is available on the app as well for you. No Ibotta rebate, but hey, want to try it out? There you go. There's a deal on a Revlon tool. They are on sale today or this week for buy one get one half off. You can pick up two of, say, these tweezers at $4.29. I tried the lesser price items like the files and the what do you call it, fingernail clipper, but it's not attaching, but that one is. So pick up two, buy one get one half off. Plus there is a $2 digital coupon that you can also use, leaving to pay $4.43, but there is a $2 Ibotta rebate on there. Well, $1 Ibotta rebate, sorry, but you'll get that back twice, leaving you at just $2.43 or $1.21. Is a deal on Crest and Oral-B. They are on sale for $3 select ones, and when you buy two, you get back a $3 register reward. There is a $1 digital coupon that you can use on the mouthwash. So let's pick this up. Pick up this Crest 3D White at $3. It also has a $1 digital coupon attaching to it. So basically, here are our two products. I'm just going to sit them right here, y'all. So that's $6 minus the $2 and coupons that we can use, get back the $3 registry reward, leaves them at just a cool $1.50 each. Now normally sometimes we can get these things for free, but if you're in a bind and need to go ahead and pick it up, $1 for two of them is not bad. Plus load your receipt to PG Good every day, you guys, and you will get points for them. If you don't have PG Good, look down in my description box, click that link and join today, guys. They got coupons on there for P&G products. They got rebate offers. When you hit a certain amount, you'll get a Visa gift card in exchange. Let me show you the two that I just got recently. Here they go, and they have $5 each on them. So all I got to do is activate them, and then I can use them on any product. So I will be using these in my transaction today. Of course, my store is out that I'm currently in, but if you can find the Airwick single little warmer, it is free. There's a coupon on the app for it, so you can pick that up as like a filler item. Another good deal on the Dawn little dish detergents. They're $1.24 each. Pick up two of them. That's going to make your total $2.48. But there is a $1 register reward you'll get for picking up two. That's going to take you down to just $1.48 or just 74 cents each. Here's another good deal that's going on this week, and I like it when this deal rolls around. It is the 4 for $9 on select P&G products. So you have the Downy Unstoppables, the little miniature one that is, the Bounce dryer sheets, you have it on. You also have it on the Downy fabric softener. Also on the Tide Simply as well, on the liquid and on the pods, but as you can see, my store does not have any of the pods. I'm going to pick up two of the liquids as part of the 4 for $9. I'm also going to pick up one of the fabric softeners for the 4 for $9, and I am going to pick up the Bounce dryer sheets for the 4 for $9 as well. But I'm also going to pick up this Downy rinse. Now my store has them listed for $7. I have a $2 and a $3 digital coupon that can attach to this product. And I'm also going to pick up this Dawn Power Wash at $4.99. It has a $2 digital coupon attaching to it. All right, guys, so I'm going to tell you about the deal, but there is one caveat I need to add. This deal is only applicable online in order to get the spend $20 in P&G products and get back the $5 Walgreens cash. It's still a great deal, but just know you have to do this deal online in order to get back the $5 Walgreens cash. Now that takes the total to $20.99, but we have the $2 digital coupon for the Dawn Power Wash. Plus we have the $3 digital for the Bounty as well. That takes you down to $15.99. But you guys, you're going to get back the $5 for picking up for $20 in P&G products. That takes you down to just $10.99. Just $1.83 for each one of these items. Plus, if you put that on top of a spend deal, the spend booster of spend 20, get $10 back, y'all. That's going to take this down to just 99 cents. You can't tell me this ain't a good deal. You cannot tell me this is not a good deal. So I might just do this deal myself. We'll see. Still on the Purex products, they are on sale this week. Buy one get one free. So that'll be picking up 2 of them. That's gonna leave you at just $3.90 for each one. It also applies to, where is that, the detergent as well. Now that's a little bit more expensive. Buy one get one free at $8.49. So pick up 2 of them, get one free. That's gonna leave you at $4.25 each. It also applies to the Purex pod things as well. The Persil is on sale this week. Now the bigger one is not marked, but it is on sale for $13.99 and has a $3 digital that's attaching. I don't know if it's certain cents, but these 2 I just scanned, they're still coming up regular price at $16.99. So I wouldn't chance it on the big ones. I just make sure they can price match it or whatever, or show them in the ad where it says it's supposed to be. But the little one is coming up in the app at its regular price, and it does have a $2 digital that applying to it. That'll make it $4.49. Now these are showing on sale for $13.99, and that $3 digital is also attaching. So if you like the disc, you can pick up 40 of them for just $10.99. Here's a deal on some Clorox wipes. They are $6.99. You will pick up 2 of them. That'll be $13.98. But there is a 600 point swag buck offer that's available when you pick up 2. So that'll take you down to $7.98 or just $3.99 each. So if you're in desperate need, pick it up. There is a deal going on at Walmart as well that may be a better offer for you, and it's attaching as well to the the swag bucks rebate. You can also pick up the 3-pack at $7.79. Pick up 2 of them. That'll be $15.58. There's an 800 point swag buck rebate that is attaching to that, taking it down to just $7.58, which is less than 1, y'all, but you're getting 2. That's going to be $3.79 for both each, which is not a bad deal at all. I also have select cereals that are on sale too for $5, like the Captain Crunch. Y'all know that's my jam. But you also have some of the Nice brand cereal that is on sale for $1.99 as well. So yeah, I think that's a pretty great deal. If I'm not mistaken, I think the Life has an Ibotta rebate, but I'm not sure. So just check your Ibotta and see if there is one on there or not. I stopped being lazy. There is a 75-cent rebate on there, so that'll give you what, $1.50 back, leaving you at $3.50 for the 2 of them together, or $1.75 each, which ain't bad, y'all. That ain't bad when they normally $5.99. Y'all better get that Life cereal. Okay guys, so I ran into a little snafu, and I'm gonna tell you why. So I picked up all of my products. They scanned perfectly fine. Everything went through perfectly fine, right? So get down, all of my coupons came off. My $3 for the Downy rinse came off. My $2 for the, I don't know where that other $2 came from, y'all. I must have had it clipped on my account. It probably attached to the other Downy, the Bounce, I'm sorry. Didn't even realize I had that. And I had a 50-cent coupon for the Tide. So, hey, I'll take it. So my subtotal ended up being $17.97, $19.21 after tax. But I only got back $10.23. I did not get back the additional $5 for spending $20 in P&G products. And let me tell you why. Yeah, I only ended up getting back the $10 for my other offers. So it still was not bad. Still not bad. And I'm happy I did it. I did get back my $1 register reward. Where did I put it? In here somewhere. Here it is. I did get back my $1 register reward. You guys probably can't see that. For the Dawn. So that took my offer back up to $11.23 that I got back. Plus, I'm going to load my receipt to PG Good every day and get some points back because they're all Procter & Gamble products. Y'all, stop playing around and sign up for PG Good every day. Like, y'all are missing out. If you're not doing it, you're missing out, okay? So after it's all said and done, it took me down to just $7.98 for all of those products. Y'all, that Downy rinse was $7 by itself. So it's almost like I bought that and paid tax and got everything else for free. So that's just that opportunity for you guys to do that spin deal. I think it's still a really great deal to spend you know, just that amount on all of those products, and those are definitely products that I will use or give away or buy. So I mean, not buy, but sell. But nonetheless, thanks for tuning in to this week's Walgreens deals. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Till the next time, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out, guys.